Good afternoon, YouTube. I'm doing another experiment with the Enagic Leveluke K8, which is the Kangen 8. It has 8 electrolysis plates. Okay, this experiment, we're going to test regular water at room temperature versus Kangen water at room temperature to see if we can make tea. And you all know that you can only make tea when you have hot water, because the water needs to be energized. It needs to be moving fast in order to activate the tea leaves. So Kangen water supposedly can do this at room temperature, because the Kangen water is an antioxidant, number one. It has it's ionized, has extra electrons. This is the Kangen water up here, has extra electrons. So it can donate electrons to free radicals, which cause inflammation, which cause degeneration in the body. So this is how it works. And it also, not only does it do that, but it also makes the water molecules smaller. Okay, it breaks them down like this. They don't stick together because they have extra electrons. The regular water molecules that come out of tap or well water, they stick together because they might be missing electrons, so they share electron bonds. They attach to each other. Just think of it as sticky water, and the Kangen water is more slippery. It's gonna be in smaller molecular structures. So the theory is that because the Kangen water is smaller molecular structure, it can interact with tea bags without being warm, whereas regular water needs to be heated up so that the bonds break and it can interact with tea bags. So I also have a remote thermometer, an infrared thermometer, and I'm going to show you what the temperatures of the water is. Okay? So what we're going to do is, first glass, we're going to do tap water. And I'm going to make all of the cups the same. That's the first cup. The second cup, I'm going to do the 9.5 Kangen water. Kangen water. I keep saying Kangen. Kangen. That's the 9.5, and then we're going to do 8.5, which it says on the screen, it shows that that's the one you should use to make tea or coffee. Okay, so we have the three. This is tap water, 9.5 Kangen water, 8.5 Kangen water. And temperatures. The temperatures are 64 degrees. 60 degrees for the tap water. 56 degrees, 56.5 for the 9.5. 55.5. Whoops, I'm getting off of it. Hold on there. Okay, there we go. 56 for the 8.5.
Don't you want to use the hot water also?
No. Okay, so I'm going to put tea bags in, and I'm not going to stir them. I'm just going to put tea bags in. I'll get a spoon to push them down, but I'm not going to stir them. Okay, now I'm going to start stirring them a little bit. You see a little action in the tap water. Okay, stirring the tap water again a little bit more.
Powering off.
This is the 9.5 Kangen Water. This is the 8.5. As you can see, the tap water activated the tea leaves a little bit, but the Kangen 9.5 and then the Kangen 8.5 activated it more.
The color is darker.
You step back and have all three in the same frame, and you can see that the two Kangen waters interacted with the tea bag much more effectively than the tap water. And that concludes this video. Mike Machine's out.